Today, as I said, we will start revising lesson 3.5. Okay. This lesson is talking about using scarce resources sustainably. Okay, how to use the resources which we are having kind of problem with it because it's limited in a sustainable way. Okay. I want one of you to read the slide for me, please. Yalla, Mariam.
The scarcity of water. There is scarcity of water because only about 2% of the water around the earth is fresh. The rest is salt water such as the Red Sea, Caspian Sea, and the Dead Sea. 0.3% of fresh water is usable. The rest is hidden in glaciers and ice sheets. The rest is hidden in glaciers and ice sheets. Most of our water comes from rivers and lakes. Unfortunately, 1.3 billion don't have access to clean water. Scarcity now in the state of being in short supply shortage.
طيب يبقى simply we can say that Earth's water, okay, most of Earth's water is salty water. In fact, more than 75% of Earth's surface it's covered with water, okay, but most of the water that covered the Earth's surface, it is salty water, and simply you can say only 3% of Earth's water is fresh water, but also most of this fresh water is frozen in the pools. So we only use a few amount of the fresh water. Okay, we don't have all of it available. Yani already we are having a shortage on it, but also most of it it's not usable. Okay, so we are not able to use all of this because it's frozen in the pools. Okay, scarcity, it is a state of being in short supply or having shortage in something. This scarcity might be in water, might be in farmland. Okay, so we might say we are having scarcity at any kind of resource. Okay, when we talk about the full water footprint, okay, actually they are grouping the water into 4 main groups. Okay, and those groups are blue water, green water, gray water, and black water. Okay, so what is blue water? It is the water that comes from Earth's surface or from underground. This is the water that comes from Earth's surface or from underground. This water, we can use it for drinking, for industry, for growing crops. Okay, this is the water we are having in our homes and so on. But for sure, we couldn't drink it directly from the rivers. مثلا. It needs to go in a certain process to be drinkable and to be clean. Okay, to use it like that. The second type of water is the green water, where this water, it is a water that is full as precipitation. Okay, who can define precipitation for me?
Miss, can I say?
Yeah.
Precipitation is any form of water that fall from the sky.
Okay, great, thank you. Yeah, plants and soil use and store this green water, which is called precipitation. Okay, that water that في مشكلة تانية, not all countries, there are too many countries having a problem with precipitation, don't have that much precipitation, they're having dry weather. Okay, so it's not available in all countries. Most of countries, they don't have that much amount of precipitation. Okay, so how does green water being used? Actually, plants and soil use it and store it. Okay, the third type, it is called gray water. Okay, gray water, it's kind of polluting one, and it has been used before. It's used before, but they can reuse it in somehow. Okay, but it might have shampoo, soaps, hair, so it's polluted one. It's not clean, but we can reuse it in industry or in washing, but not washing everything, yani, okay, because it's not clean. It's kind of polluting one, but it can be reused again. Okay, not like the black water. The black water, yani, it's hard to reuse it because it is carries harmful diseases, okay, and it's not easy to reuse it, يعني it's forbidden even to use the black water. يبقى الجray water, it's polluted water that has been used before, and we can use it in washing and industry. And the last type, it is called black water, okay. And when we talk about black water, we can say it is the water that had come into contact with human waste. Okay, it carries harmful diseases and cannot easily be reused because of this. It carries harmful diseases. Okay, it's not healthy, or yani, no way to reuse it. Yani. Okay, it's not easy to even have it in yani certain cycle to clean it up or something like that. Is it clear, يا بنات?
Clear.
Yes.
Type. How can we solve the problem of water scarcity? Okay. Type. First of all, we are having great improvement in technology. Okay. So the areas which is having great problem with fresh water, they can try by using the technology, they can try to find new ways to access water. Okay. They might use kind of drilling technology to drill the underground waters. They might use technology to transfer the salty water to make it fresh water, and through a certain process. Okay, so we can use technology to. Hold on, I think there is somebody in the lobby. Aisha, yes. Okay. Again to the PowerPoint. Okay. طيب يبقى قلنا we can use technology. Okay, because actually in the modern time we're having great improvement technology, so we can use technology for drilling. We can use drilling technology to get the underground water. We might use technology to make kind of change in the salty water, okay, and convert it to fresh water and so on. Also, there is rainwater. Okay, so this is like simple way they're using in India. Okay, they try to catch the rain. Okay, catching the rain. Okay, and sometimes they are collecting the raindrops and store it for later use. Where this is help people to get clean water. They are collecting the rain, catching the rain. Okay, and sometimes they are selling it over there. Okay. And don't ask me about the procedures, like how to clean or something like that, because I don't know exactly about it, but it's a fact. Okay, this is one way of finding or getting fresh water, catching rain. Okay, and this is, as mentioned here, it has helped millions get clean water. Okay. Also, education. When we say education, it means what? It means educate people how to be careful, how to conserve water, how to save water, how to reduce the amount of pure water that they are using. This is what we mean when we say education on solving this problem. Educate people, kids, adults, everyone within the country about how, educate them on how carefully they can use water carefully, how to conserve the water, okay, and how they can reduce the amount of pure water that they are using in their daily activities. Guys, at this point, what can you do to conserve the water, to save the water? Personal things. I want to get from you, يا حلوين. No answer?
Miss, can you repeat the question?
I said, what can you do to save water personally?
Don't open it when you're not using it.
We can say يا حلوين يعني brainstorm نصحصح شوية. Okay, we can say we can take a shower instead of bath مثلا. Okay, during making wudu يعني don't use too much water on this. Okay, when you are brushing your teeth, okay, don't let the water open all the time. You can just open it in the beginning, and then whenever you need it again, open it, and that's it. Okay, those are simple things, you know, we might do, and it helps saving the water. Yeah, type. Actually, there's another thing people might do to conserve water. Okay, actually, there is too much water lost due to leaking pipes. Okay, so we have to fix this problem. And even if you're having a problem at home, like a few drops coming all the night in your kitchen, مثلا, okay, don't think it's only drop. If you're gonna put any container over there for the whole night, you're gonna find the container already filled with water, okay, from this tiny drops. Okay, so we have to work on this. If there is a problem like leaking problem, okay, we have to fix it and work on it to solve it. Yeah, and for sure we're supposed to use good and strong material, okay, on this thing, okay, because this will have kind of it will not be damaged soon or not have a problem soon. When you're using good material on this, okay, this is for sure will help you to be okay for longer time. Will not face any problem in this area. Okay, طيب. How can we solve the problem of water scarcity? Again, ممكن نقول reducing the water footprint. We talked about like many more points. Okay, ماشي. Okay, we have to work on reducing the amount of blue water that used in industries مثلا. Okay, we can find that if we can use the gray water instead of blue water. When we talked about the using of water, we said that blue water is used on industry. So what about using the gray water on industry instead of blue water? This is much use the amount of blue water that people use. Okay, I want to read there for the coming ones, please. Yalla, a reader. A reader. Girls, can you hear me?
Yes, can I read?
ايوه يا ريت يا ريت، ده انا بتحايل عليكم اهو، حد يقول لي حاجه. انا شكيت انه you're not able to listen. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. From hydroponics.
No, we are in
yeah, I know.
Reducing water footprint. Just go ahead and read the coming part. The shared water.
Okay. Miss, we stopped at the scarcity of land for farming.
No, Habibi, I'm talking about the PowerPoint. Are you able to see the PowerPoint in front of you, Yahana?
No.
Why?
It's not. It's not appearing for me. I can't see anything.
Girls, can you see it? The rest of girls, are you able to see the PowerPoint?
Yes, please.
طيب Hannah, if you would, yes. Hannah, maybe the chat is open. So if you would please close the chat, open. And I think you. So is there anybody else who's not able to see the PowerPoint? All of you see it? Hannah, I think there is something might say that back to class or back to session in the top of your phone or your somewhere on the screen. You can just click on it. Maybe by accident you did not get the PowerPoint because I believe that all of your friends see it.
Okay, I'll try to close and open.
Don't close خلاص يعني it's okay خلاص يعني إن شاء الله يعني you can watch the video, okay, because I'm worried that if you're gonna do this you will not be able to enter for any reason. Yeah, some crazy problems you are facing, some crazy problems sometimes. Yeah, so just stay over here, okay.
Okay,
Aisha,
I saw it now.
you saw it, yes, Hannah? Are you able to see it now?
Yes.
طيب, would you please read?
Okay, shared water. Some countries have more water than others. Sometimes this is because of dams. Dams prevent water from reaching other countries. Countries need to distribute water equally.
تمام. Recycling grey water.
Grey water. In some countries, grey water is cleaned and it is returned to the reservoirs to be used again. Industries can use this system to reduce water scarcity.
طيب يبقى قلنا في عندنا حاجتين كمان ممكن نعملهم وهو shared water because some countries might have more water than what they need because they're having dams and this is help them to have more and more water. So countries need to distribute water equally. They're supposed to share this water with their neighboring one, okay, to solve their problem with the scarcity of water. Also, by recycling the gray water, okay, we might fix the problem, okay, by doing this kind of recycling. And as I said, industries can use this system to for recycling gray water, okay,